Yo, me did say me not touch upon the topic here, but it a bother me to the point to me have to say it, brother. Alright, what Russian have in common with all of the artists also? You have Skeng, you have Najiri, Malidan, Valiant, and Raja Wild. What Russian have in common with them? Russian fail to acknowledge any of these artists until they start make waves in a dancehall. Notice. Never asking yourself who is Russian, how it come about. Look into it. This man, never really. You ever see where artists they were Russian boss? Where the artists they were Russian put on the map. If you say, this is my artist, me I work with him from XY time, and me I put him on the map. Couldn't be cartel, could be popcorn, could be none of them one day. Because if cartel never said straight jeans and fitted, and they ain't sitting there, me no know who would have be Russian. You know see where they how the man give up on dancehall. Look upon the last 2 years of Russian career. Man, me swear Russian a Puerto Rican. Be a Spanish music. Do one song with Shenzia, he never chart. He go foreign, do song with some other foreign artists, he never chart. You see me? Only thing this man do, I recognize when the artists them a shine and jump on their wave. Some of the artists them look into themselves and think about when you did a rise, who was the producer there with you? If you take your thing to the next level. And remember say, with all of this what go on, when man bring back already man sitting. If you remember say there's talented young producer out there with better music than this man. 10 times. So stop make the man feel like say him a the gatekeeper for this dancehall thing where it a go bring you some incredible stardom at the end of the day. No bro. Uno a help the man come back on the wave of dancehall. Because for some reason maybe things not go for him way, things not go the right way now. So him say him a turn back in specs pan dancehall. So don't believe in yourself, youth, and don't make nobody trick on you. You see me? Real talent have to get recognized no matter what you do. You see me? Nobody can hold that down. You see, pray. So just believe in yourself. And that one, yeah, the party of Briscoe. Briscoe, they are one of the most talented artists in this generation because there's only 2 artists ever make an item raise in the consumer market. And it's Vibes Cartel and Briscoe. So never forget that. You make ensure raise youth. So believe in yourself, believe in your talent, and go back in that mode there. If you create, where you did create in the first half, if you make people know about you. You see me? So this message of you them man. Believe in yourself, man. And don't make no gatekeeper come gatekeep on a thing. You have real talent. Yeah. Out.